What's going on, good people? Welcome to the Little Garden YouTube channel, and this is part 2 of Let's Clone These Supermarket Mint Leaves. But before we get into the supermarket mint leaves, let's check up on our ginger mint that we had sitting in this bottle for about 2 weeks. As you can see, we had plenty of roots in this joint, so what I did was I just put them in some soil, and they're doing great right now. The grow tent is a little warm right now, but that's because we don't have any fans as yet. I ordered some, so I'm waiting for those to come in now. Okay, now let's talk about the supermarket mint that we bought over the counter. It's been in the water for about 10 to 12 days, and as you can see, the first root is starting to pop out right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but if you look right there at that stem, you should be able to see it. There it is right there. So it looks like the supermarket mint is turning out to be a success so far. We've got our first root. We're going to leave it in there for maybe another week or two just to see, how many more roots we can get. Hopefully we can get a lot of roots and we can plant this baby up. Okay, family, that's about it for now. If you want to stay tuned in and see the progress of these plants, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video and have a beautiful day.